Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Widi Febrianto. I am student of PPG Daljab Kemenak, the first batch of 2021 in State University of Malang. My student's ID number is 20313276367. I want to share my teaching video on the topic ability and willingness using can and will for 8th grade students in MTS Daruda Maya Tonatan Ponorogo. Due to there will be midterm exam in my school from October the 16th to October the 24th, 2021. The video was recorded on Wednesday, October 13th, 2021. The video is submitted for my final assignment for this program. I hope you enjoy my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I am fine, and you?
I'm fine too, thanks. Okay, before we go to our lesson, please, Captain, can you help me to lead us pray together?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, lead us to pray together.
Let's pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi sidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, thanks. I will check your attendance first. Ahya Sodak Nur, Agus Lukmanul Hakim, Alif Aulia, okay good. Dimas Alfian, okay good. Huda Ristofa, okay good. Alvinur, okay good. Muhammad Anim, good. Muhammad Atta Kamal, okay good. Muhammad Nadif Faizur Rahman, okay. Muhammad Taufik Romdani, okay. Muhammad Zainal Arifin, okay. Muhammad Zaki, okay good. Munirul Hakim, okay. Ridwanul Robi, okay. Sofyan Hidayat, okay. Yasin, okay. Yoga Julio, okay. Is it hot here?
Yes.
Zaki, can you help me, Zak?
Yes, I can help you.
Can you turn on the fan, please?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. Do you remember what Mr. Widi said to Zaki to ask him turn on the fan?
Yes.
What I say?
Can you
Can you turn
turn
on? Can you help me? Yeah? Am I right? Okay. Now for today you will learn how to express can and will. When I ask Zaki, what do you know the meaning of can you help me? Apa artinya can you help me? Okay. Can you turn on the fan? What is the meaning of can? Meminta. Ask for help and then ask for the ability. So we will use can to ask ability and show ability. Like Zaki said, I can turn on the fan, sir. I can help you, sir. So it means that Zaki has ability to help me. Zaki has ability to turn on the fan. For the example, if I ask you, Dimas, can you play football?
Yes, I can, sir.
So it means that Dimas can play football. Okay. Now the second expression that you will learn is will. For the example, Atta, will you go to canteen? Yes. So it means that Atta will go to canteen in the future. So if we ask about can, it about ability, and then if we talk about will, about willingness. Now I have given you worksheet with colorful color. For first activity, you use paper with title My Discovery. You have to analyze videos. I will play the videos 3 times. Then you have to analyze by answering this question in the chart. There are how many questions there? 5 questions. Answer number 1, 2, and 3 first, and then 4 and number 5 answered in the last meeting today. Okay. Are you ready to watch the video? Yes. Okay. Okay. Look the video carefully and then answer the question.
Hello, today we will learn about can and will. I will give you some examples and exercises.
Hi, hello. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Will you swim with me? Okay, I will. Let's go. Can you play football? Yes, I can play football. Can you cook fried rice?
Of course, I can.
Will you cook fried rice for dinner?
Sure, I will. Can you edit some videos?
Yes, I can.
Will you edit my video, please?
Certainly, I will.
Now, let's practice to ask questions.
Okay, I will play again. Have you gotten the answer from the videos? Okay, I will play once again, and you have to make sure your answer is right. Okay, write your answer in the chart.
Now, let's practice.
Okay, before we practice making question using can and will, I will ask you what is your answer from analyzing the videos. Number 1, who can answer? How many sample conversation can and will are there in the videos? Want to answer? Raise your hand. Yes.
For example.
There are 4 example. Yes. Number 1 is there are 4 example. Now, question number 2. Write the expression that use can. On the video, there are some expression that use can. Mention it. What are they? Can you? Okay, first, can you swim? Can you swim? And then,
When you play football.
can you play football? Once again,
Can you fried rice?
can? Okay, can you cook fried rice? Okay, I think enough from this 3 expression of can. Then second expression of will. This is can, and then this is will. Mention expression in the video that use will. Okay, Dimas again. Will you swim with me? Good. Okay, next, number 2. Expression number 2 using will. Okay.
Will you edit my video?
Okay, will you edit my videos? From this expression, we will analyze what is the answer if these questions are asked to you. Can you swim? What is your answer?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can swim. This is question. Then this is statement, or in English we say interrogative, and then positive. If we can, you will say I can swim. But if you cannot swim, what will you say? I cannot swim. I cannot swim. Or you can say I can't swim. Try read it. I can't swim. Okay, good. Can you play football? And then what is the positive answer? Okay, good. I can play football. Then if you cannot play football, what is your answer? Okay, I cannot play football, or you can say I can't play football. So you know the answer of can you cook fried rice? Yes. Okay, good. And then after answering it, make a conclusion form of using can. If positive, if negative, and if interrogative. Find it and write in your book. You have to discover how these sentences are formed. I will give you some clues. In this sentence, I ask okay, good. Subject. And then can is modal. And then swim. What is this words? What can? Verb. Verb 1. Okay. So you can make your own form in your textbook. I will not write it, but you have to write in your textbook. When I check your book, I will check it. Your conclusion is correct or no. Then second, will you swim with me? What is your answer? If you will swim, what is your answer? The positive form. I will swim with you. Good. Then if you will not, I will not swim with you. Then this you can answer by yourself. And will you edit my video in the positive form and the negative form? I think the conclusion is same with the use of can. Let's look. What is the position of I here as a subject? And then will as a modal will, like can as a modal can. What word after will? Verb 1. So the conclusion is after can and will always followed by verb 1. Okay. Do you have question? Or we can continue to practice making question using can and will. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's continue to how to make question using can and will. I will give you example. Number 1.
Using can.
Push a cart.
Push a cart.
Can you push a cart?
Okay, next. You will answer it.
Carry the books.
Okay, who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Okay.
I can carry the books.
What is your answer?
Can you carry the books?
Okay, let's look. Your answer is correct or incorrect.
Can you carry the books?
Okay, it's correct. Can you carry the books?
Play drum.
Play drum. Who wants to answer?
Me.
Okay.
Can you play drum?
Can you play drum?
Can you play drum?
Okay. Repeat.
Can you play drum?
Okay, good. Next.
Ride motorcycle.
Who wants to answer? Ride motorcycle. Okay, Dimas.
Can you ride motorcycle?
Can you ride motorcycle? Let's look. Dimas answer.
Can you ride motorcycle?
Okay, repeat.
Can you ride motorcycle?
Good.
Now, let's practice to ask questions using will.
Now let's practice expression using will. By words call me. Who wants to answer? Oh yes.
Will you call me?
Will you call me? Okay. Let's look. I do not give you example, but let's look. Is your answer correct or incorrect?
Will you call me?
Oh, will you call me?
Will you?
Good. Repeat. Will you call me?
Will you call me?
Okay, next.
Pick me up.
Pick me up. Okay.
Will you pick me up?
Okay. Will you pick me up?
Will you pick me up?
Repeat.
Will you pick me up?
Okay, good.
Walk the dog.
Walk the dog. Who wants to answer? Okay.
Will you walk the dog?
Will you walk the dog?
Okay, repeat.
Will you walk the dog?
Okay, good. Your answer is correct.
Play guitar.
Who wants to answer? Okay.
Will you play guitar?
Okay. Let's look your answer.
Will you play guitar?
Okay, repeat.
Will you play guitar?
Okay, good. So, you can make your own question by expression will and can. It means if you want to ask your friend about his ability or her ability or her willingness, you can use can or will. For the example, you will doing Q&A, question and answer with your friend about his ability. For example, you want to ask about your friend ability in cooking. Can you cook fried rice? Or you want to ask your friend to go to some places with you. You can say using will or can. Will. Will you go to canteen with me? Yes, I will go to canteen with you. I will buy fried chicken. And what will you buy? This is the example of using expression will and can. Then, can you answer the question number 4 and number 5 after this activity? About why do the speakers use the word can in their expression? Why? Why do you use can? What is your purpose using expression can? To ask about ability. Okay, ask and show ability. Now, what is the use of will? To ask or show willingness. That is the answer from question number 4 and 5. Now, after watching the videos, I think you have knowledge about the function and the difference between can and will. Now, look at task 1 in your papers. Look at task 1. There are 10 questions. Question number 1 until number 10. You have to answer by following the instruction. Number 1 until number 4. You have to complete the conversation. Number 5 until number 8. You have to match column A with column B. And number 9 and number 10, you have to make sentences based on the picture. Make sentence. Okay. You can use can or will, or you can use cannot or will not. Okay. I will give you 10 minutes to answer this question number 1 until number 10. During doing the task, if you have question, you can ask to me by raising your hand and say, sir, may I ask question? Then you can ask question about the material, ability and willingness using can and will. Okay? Do you get the point? Okay, you can do the task now. Have you finished? Have you finished doing the task 1? Yeah. Okay. If you finish, you can submit the task after the meeting is ended. In the end of this meeting, you can submit your worksheet to me. Okay. Now, in the activity 2, after analyze the video and then you can make your own question using can and will. You will use it to interview your friend, doing question and answer with your friend using expression can you and will you. In your worksheet, student worksheet 2, task 2, there are 2 charts about can you and will you. Please write your question in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 questions using can, and then there are 5 questions using will. Write your friend's name. For example, if you want to doing Q&A with Ahmad, maybe Ahmad and then Rizal and your friend in this classroom, yeah. And then read your question. For the example, ride motorcycle like in the video. Ride motorcycle. So what will you say to your friend? Can you ride motorcycle? And then maybe cook fried rice or play football or swim. Yeah, you can use this word to ask to your friend. So 5 friends get same question. Same with will. You have to write what is your question. For the example, will you go to canteen with me? Yeah. Will you go to my house, or will you study with me? Will you go fishing and the others? You can make your own question, then ask to your friend with same name, up and down using same name. Ahmad, so there will be Ahmad. Do you understand? Okay. Okay. Write your question first, and then if you finish in writing your question, you can do question and answer with your friend. Choose nearest friend from you. For the example, Dimas can ask Salsa, Nadif, Sofyan, and Taufik. Same with Kamal. Can ask to Aulia, and then Alfi, and then Septian and the others. Okay, so in one group, so you do not need to go everywhere in this classroom. Just stay in line with your group. Then if you have finished writing your question, when you ask your friend, for the example Ahmad, can you ride motorcycle? If Ahmad say yes I can, please check this column. But if Ahmad say he cannot ride motorcycle, please cross. Have you finished write your question? Then I will ask you to do question and answer with your friend. Yes, now you can do question and answer with your friends. Maybe we can start with Salsa and your group, then next Aulia or Atta with your group, and then Zaki with your group. Okay? Salsa and Dimas. Okay. Try to do question and answer with your friend.
Can you come first, Dimas? Yes, I can.
Louder, please. You have to be confident and then say the question louder so I can hear your voice.
Agus, can you ride motorcycle? Yes, I can ride motorcycle.
Okay, and good. Then next your question. Finish your question first, and then you can ask to Dimas. Next, Dim.
Agus, can you cook fried rice? Yes, I cook fried rice.
Okay.
I can.
Okay, next.
Can you edit some videos? No, I cannot.
Okay, so he cannot edit. Then next.
Agus, can you play football? Yes, I can play football.
Okay, good. Now ask Agus using will. Kim.
Agus, will you go to my home? Yes, I will go to my home.
Hmm.
Agus, will you go to canteen with me? Yes, I will go to canteen. Will you go watch movie with me? No, I watch movie. Will you go play kite with me? Yes, I will kite.
Play.
Kite.
Now your turn to ask Dimas about his ability and his willingness using this question.
Can you play volleyball?
Yes, I can play volleyball.
Can you play football?
Yes, I can play football.
Can you cook French rice?
Yes, I can cook fried rice.
Can cook. Now using will you.
Dimas, will you go to home?
Yes, I will go to home with you.
Will you go to canteen with me?
Yes, I will go to canteen with you.
Yeah. Next, maybe you can go through the other friends, Sofyan, Nadif, and Taufik by this question. You can continue works with your groups. Next, maybe Atta and Aulia. Alfi, wanna try? Alfi, try to do question and answer with Atta about his ability and willingness. Yeah.
Can you play football?
I can play. Okay, next.
Can you swim? Atta, can you cook fried rice?
If your friend asks to you question, please answer it by loud voice. Yeah. So, can you cook fried rice? Yeah, you can say I cannot cook fried rice. Okay, next.
Can you edit video?
Can you edit?
Can you edit video?
Louder.
I cannot edit some video.
Okay. Next, Atta, maybe you want to ask question to Alfi. Do you have question to Alfi?
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Alfi can swim.
Can you play football?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride motorcycle?
Yes, I can ride motorcycle.
Okay.
Can you cook fried rice?
Can you cook fried rice, Alfi?
No,
I cannot.
I cannot.
Okay.
Can you edit some videos?
Can you edit some videos, Alfi?
Yes.
Yes, he can edit. Okay. Good. Continue do question and answer with your friends. Yeah. You can answer Aulia, Anim, and then Huda about the same question, but with different people, but the same question. Okay. Next. Zak, have you finished doing question and answer with your friend? Okay, Zaki and Ridwan. Okay, Zaki and Ridwan do question and answer. Zak asked to Ridwan about his ability using can.
Ridwan, can you ride motorcycle?
Yes, I can.
Ridwan, can you cook fried rice?
No, I not can.
Ridwan, can you play football?
Yes, I can.
Ridwan, can you play drum?
No,
Ridwan, can you edit videos?
yes, I can.
Okay, now Ridwan, you can ask the question to Zaki about Zaki ability using can.
Zaki, can you ride motorcycle?
Yes, I can.
Zaki, can you play drum?
Not, I cannot.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you play football?
Yes, I can.
Can you edit some video?
Okay. Now Zaki asks to Ridwan, ask about his willingness using will.
Ridwan, will you go to canteen with me? Yes, I will.
Ridwan will go to canteen with you, so you have to check it. Yeah. Next question.
Ridwan, will you playing football with me? Yes.
Okay, good. Check it. Next, do you have another question?
Ridwan, will you swing with me? Yes, I will. Ridwan, will you play drum with me? Yes. Ridwan, will you edit some videos with me? Yes, I will.
Maybe you can use another question like, Ridwan, will you go to library with me, or will you study together with me? Then will you buy some food with me? Yeah? Not only using this word above, but you can use another word, use another event that you want to ask Ridwan to join with you. Yeah, because you can use will as expression to invite, like, will you go to my house? So you ask Ridwan to go to your house. Yes. Ridwan, will you study with me? It means you want Ridwan study together with you. Okay. The others fellas from Zaki's group can make the question. Yes. Okay. Continue your works doing question and answer with your friend. Then after this I will give you instruction how to make good paragraph. To show the result of this interview, you can make paragraph. Have you finished doing question and answer with your friends? Yes. If you have finished, please look at this slide. In the last paper, you have to compose short paragraph by showing the result of your Q&A, your interview with your friends. I will give you instruction to make a good paragraph. So, how many expressions that you learned today? There are 2 expressions. So, you ask to your friend about his ability and his willingness. So, how many paragraph here? 2 paragraph. First paragraph is about his ability, and then second paragraph is about his willingness. For the example, you have done Q&A with your friend about his ability. For the example, Ahmad, can you play football? Yes, I can play football. You check it in the table. Then, Ahmad, can you cook fried rice? No, I cannot cook fried rice. You cross in the table. Then, Ahmad, can you play football? Yes, I can play football. And then, Ahmad, can you play guitar? Yes, I can play guitar. And last question, Ahmad, can you edit video? Yes, I can edit video. So, if we make paragraph, Ahmad can ride motorcycle. He cannot cook fried rice. He can play football. He can play guitar, and then he can edit some videos. This is one paragraph. The same with will. In the second paragraph, Ahmad will blah blah blah, or Ahmad will not blah blah blah. Depend on your question. Do you get the point?
Yes.
For the example, Dimas, number 1. Agus Lukmanul. Yeah, Agus. Make it in sentences.
Agus can ride motorcycle.
Then,
He can cook fried rice.
yes.
He cannot edit some videos. He can play football.
Yes.
He can play volleyball.
Okay, like this. But you have to write in the paper. Put your friend each box. Each box is for one friend's ability and one friend's willingness. Okay? Okay, you can do it right now. You have 5 minutes to make this paragraph. Have you finished make the short paragraph? No. Oh, I think the time is almost over. You can submit all the worksheet tomorrow because time is almost enough. Before I close this meeting, what have you learned today? What, Tim? You learn about ability and willingness. When you want to ask someone ability or when you want to show ability, what expression you will use? Can. Then, what is the function of will? To show and to ask about willingness. Today you learn about ability and willingness. Next time, if you have opportunity to go abroad, maybe US or UK, maybe you get scholarship, you will use this expression to ask someone for help or to offer someone for help. You can ask, can I help you, or can you help me? By using can, ask or offering help. And then in the other hand, if you want to invite someone using English, you can use will. Will you go to my party? Will you go to restaurant with me? Will you go watch movie with me? You can use it if you go to another country or you go to tourism place, then you can do conversation with native speaker. Before I close this meeting, don't forget to submit your worksheet tomorrow. Okay? Okay. I think enough for today. Let's close this meeting by doa kafaratul majlis together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta. Okay, I think enough for today. See you next meeting. I apologize if I have mistake. And then thanks for your attention. Good job for today. And always say to yourself, English is not hard. English is easy. Okay, repeat. English is not hard, but English is easy. Okay. See you next meeting. Akhirul kalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.